First, we head to the Anaconda website and download the Anaconda installer. The instructions here is for Windows, but you should use the installer based on your own operating system. After the installation step, we then proceed to set up the Python environment. Open the Anaconda prompt. In the info folder, you will find the text files containing the commands to set up the Python environment. The first two lines relates to removing existing Python environment, in case there are issues arising and you need to reinstall the Python environment. We will be ignoring them. We simply copy the command line by line and paste them into the Anaconda prompt and wait for the setup to complete. We can close the Anaconda prompt now. Next is to update your MT5 credentials. Open the credentials.yml file with a text editor and fill in your information there. The terminal field is the path where the MT5 terminal is found. The next three fields is your MT5 login ID, password, and the MT5 server. After this, open the MT5 terminal, and in the options, we need to enable the checkbox for Allow Algorithmic Trading. We need to keep the MT5 terminal running all the time when the bot is running, so that the bot can execute trade using the MT5 terminal. The runbot text file in the info folder contains the command to run backtests and also execute the Python bot. First, head to the folder containing the Python files and open the Anaconda prompt. Alternatively, we can open the Anaconda prompt and change the working directory to the folder containing the Python files. Run the conda activate command to activate the Python environment we installed previously. To run backtests, run the command python run backtest.py. The command will run the backtest and print out the resulting trade statistics. The performance chart will be saved to the images folder. You can change the settings in the algo settings YML file in the config folder to meet your desired risk tolerance. The only settings you should change here is the ref portfolio size and signal quantity. It is recommended to leave the other settings as their default values. The ref portfolio size is the starting portfolio value to be used in the backtest. This value affects the backtests only to let you gauge the expected performance based on your desired trading capital. The signal quantity is the quantity to trade when the entry signal fires. For example, if you are using a standard Forex account and trade the standard contracts, each contract represents 100,000 units. Setting signal quantity to 50,000 means that for each ticker, we buy or sell 0.5 unit of contracts when entering or exiting a position. If you are using a broker with non-standard lot size, e.g. trading with micro contracts, you will need to change the lot size map settings in the broker's settings file. In case your broker uses a non-standard ticker naming conventions, you will need to change the broker ticker symbol map settings as well. If for some reasons there are errors causing the bot to terminate, simply close the Anaconda prompt terminal, open a new one, and restart the bot. Always start with a paper trading account first and run it for a while to ensure there are no issues. This is done by supplying your paper trading credentials in the credentials file. Once everything looks good and you wish to proceed to trade with a live account, we will need to restart the bot. To restart the bot, close the Anaconda prompt terminal and log out the MT5 terminal. Then, relog in the MT5 terminal with your live account. You will also need to change the MT5 login ID, password, and the MT5 server in the credentials.yaml file to reflect your live account settings. For demonstration purposes, I will continue to use my paper trading credentials. Then, restart the bot using the same steps before. That is, we open the Anaconda prompt. Change the working directory to the folder containing the Python files, activate the Python environment, and run the command python run live.py.